strike has entered its fourth day with no breakthrough yet. Drivers are staging a sit-in at Azad Maidan, sticking to their main demands: fairer fares and equal rates with metered taxis. My colleague Shubhana was on ground speaking directly to the protesters. Let's listen in.
Mumbai's lifeline, the app-based cab services have come to a halt. Now that's because Ola and Uber cab drivers are off the road and commuters are in pain. We are here surrounded by the cab drivers who are in a sit-in protest at Azad Maidan. This is the fourth day of the protest. Sir, I wanted to ask, this is the fourth day of the protest. What are your demands? What is the problem? If you could just explain it to us.
We have a very basic demands. Actually, the fun fact is that we have zero demands. All that we are asking is execution of the existing laws that we have in place. But unfortunately, the startups who boast about employment generation, and we in everyday's newspaper we read about the fundings they are getting in millions and billion dollars. You can witness here they are misusing that funding and they are exploiting passengers and drivers, and that's why lakhs of drivers in all over Maharashtra, in Pune, Mumbai and Nagpur have stopped working, and we are protesting against the basic demands, the livelihood that we should get, that is the rate that has been fixed by RTO of the every district, by the RTA, that is Road Traffic Authority.
हमको जो गवर्नमेंट ने रेट दिया है वो अभी तक ओला उबेर रैपिडो इन्होंने उनके जो ऐप पे और लगाया नहीं, आया नहीं। जब तक वो ऐप में नहीं दिखेंगे तब तक हम यहाँ आंदोलन करने वाले।
कस्टमर से कंपनी कितना लेता है? 400-500 लिया तो हमारे हाथ में कितना आता है? 250-300 आता है। हाँ, उसमें सीएनजी जाता है, उनको एसी भी चाहिए तो एसी से माइलेज घटता है बराबर। दूरी का 1 घंटा लगेगा, 1-1.5 घंटा 2 घंटा ट्रैफिक में चला गया, हमारे जेब में क्या बचता है?
Since July 15, thousands of drivers are off the road as they are staging in a protest at Azad Maidan. This is the fourth day of the protest and they're demanding a right fare per kilometer rate and relief from steep commission cuts. Well, they're not just asking, they're making demands. Now, a committee is set to meet the representatives of Ola and Uber today to negotiate on the same. But for stranded riders and frustrated drivers, the wait still goes on. This is Subhana Sheikh with camera person Prahlad from Mumbai.
Right, thanks for that, Shubhana. And moving on.